Do not start a wild camping channel. Let me tell you why. You'll spend hours and hours editing videos and it gets 100 views, but when you watch it back, it's a lifetime memory. Subscribers crawl up one at a time. You hit 650 and then it's 649. But each one of those subscribers is a person that likes the outdoors. He's a fan of going outside. He's a fan of adventure, and that's what matters. Carrying your camping gear, it's heavy enough. 14, 15, 16, or in Chris's case, 30 kg. Add a tripod and a camera, and your back will not forgive you. But when you film the scenery, the sunset, the sunrise, it's definitely worth it. Wow, deer. Just seen a deer and the camera's pointing to me. Do you know, I've been walking around here for years and that is the first time I've seen a deer hopping through the long grass. Ah, what a shame. There you go. And honestly, I did 100% see a deer. You never get that shot. You'll never get that shot. Oh my God. Be prepared to walk through nettles and spiky things. Is anyone going to make a pathway for me? Nettles. Spiky things. Ugh. Can't believe I saw that deer. Do not start a wild camping channel. The algorithm feels like a complete black hole. I don't understand it. I'm not sure if anyone out there actually does understand it. Even all these gurus on YouTube doesn't understand it. Then you upload a video and it's tumbleweeds. Nettles. Do not wear shorts when walking in long grass. But then a comment pops up and says, great video, you've inspired me to get out. I've just watched your video and I almost bought the wrong grass. Cut, take two. Comment pops up, great video, it's inspired me to get out. Brilliant video. I've just nearly bought the wrong gas. But watching your channel, I'm gonna go swap it. And that is pure gold. Just one video, just one comment. You've inspired people to get out. You've told them about equipment. And they've realised they've bought the wrong gear. Talking to camera while there's people walking past. Yeah, it's great. It's a great place around here to walk. Yeah, dogs absolutely love it. Yeah, they do, yeah. Yeah, I can keep them off. Just talking to a tree. I ain't actually filmed. I always pause it if people are walking past. Fitness as well. You need some sort of fitness. I used to walk up this hill completely out of breath. Don't start a channel. You get rain on the lens, get wind noise on the camera, you're cooking your dinner, a couple of different angles. You forgot to press record. So you have to boil that water again. Shocking, absolute shocking. But then the sky clears up and the wind settles and it's absolutely fantastic. It's brilliant. Cannot beat that feeling. Do not start a wild camping channel. I have got something stuck on my leg and it is doing my, oh, look at that. See that? I think there's another bit. Two of them. Oh, second one. I think there's a third. Oh, God. These reasons weren't even in the script. Don't work with animals. Do not work with animals. I'm going this way and they're going that way. Don't work with animals. Don't take your dog. No, do take your dog. They absolutely love it. I'm going that way, they've gone that way. Look at this, look. This way, this way. So yes, do not start a wild camping channel. Batteries die, you forget your SD card, but then you can just sit back and relax and enjoy the camp. Feels shit. Don't feel natural. Oh. I did have a script, but you know what? It just don't feel natural enough for me. So I'm putting the phone away. I'm going to start again. The whole point of this video was the negatives about starting a YouTube wild camping channel, and then the positives and what I've learned over the past 18 months of actually starting a channel. Now, to be honest, I didn't want to focus on the negatives, I wanted to focus more on the positives, but everything just seems a little bit unnatural while I'm filming this. The phone's away. I think the reason why I started my channel was a couple of things really. Number one was I wanted to record my camps. I wanted to learn how to video edit, and I'd done plenty of hiking. Oh, go back away. Plenty of hiking, and I enjoyed the hiking so much that while researching YouTube videos, I come across wild camping channels and they looked so appealing. And then I went out on my first wild camp with Josh, and he filmed it, he did it on YouTube, and I thought, do you know what, I'd love to have a go at that. And he made it look so easy. Come on, boys. Hiya, alright? Yeah. Good, good. Sorry. But it's harder than it looks, starting a YouTube channel. Carrying all your gear, up hills, into valleys, into the countryside. Trying to be creative with wild camping equipment. Have you got the budget for the wild camping equipment to constantly show new stuff? I ain't. But do you know what? For me now on my channel, it's more about the adventure of filming it, making memories, and dogs gipping. That's what it is for me. It's not about the views. It's about the views. It's about being out, sitting there taking them all in, being out with your friends, your family, or going solo. And filming it is just a bonus. I've spent all night trying to think of a script, writing ideas down. Well, really, I should have been sat speaking to the missus. So it eats a lot of your time. And you put that effort in. But each camp you do and each upload you do, it's a video that's out there, and as long as YouTube is out there, then it's videos that my kids can look back on and laugh at my drunken antics. But one little bit of advice I will give you is do not, 100% do not put that YouTube studio on your phone. Because once you upload a video, you just cannot stop looking at it. So don't start a wild camping channel if you don't want to experience the hills, if you don't want to be out with your friends, if you don't want to just take in the countryside, if you just want to sit on the sofa instead, if that's more appealing. Yes, YouTube wild camping, it is saturated, and I've learned now that yes, it can be a pain in the arse, can YouTube, but while I'm not filming, it's absolutely brilliant. Going on adventures with my boys, going out with friends, and maybe before end of year, going out with people that I've actually spoke to in through the comments, people that are like-minded. And I've been lucky, I haven't had one hate comment on my channel, but it's not a big channel, but I'm not bothered about that at the moment. I'm bothered about just making memories. I'm not bothered about becoming famous or being monetised, but I do want to keep putting content out there. But more for me and my family and anybody that wants to join me and comes along. So yes, don't start a wild camping channel if you don't want that community. If you don't want to see fantastic sunsets and sunrises. I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to Middies Go Wild. I want to thank all those that leave comments and giving me a like. Taking the time to watching the shat videos that I put out. Now, a lot of people have got some decent stuff from them, and a lot of people have given me some handy hints and tips, and it is about growing that community. And speaking to like-minded people. And that's what I'm really enjoying about YouTube. Enjoying the creative side of it, coming up with some new ideas. Or just going out on a camp and showing you, the viewer, where I've been, what it can actually be like if you get yourself out there yourself. So yes, thank you for watching. Thanks to Chris. Thanks to our kid for putting up with me, shoving a camera in the face. Thanks to Rodney and Walter. And thanks to my missus. Because heading out in the hills when you've got that spare time, when your family, your partner, friends are at home worrying about you, or your mother texting you next day, did you get back okay? So thanks to everybody who's watched me since I started the channel, and thanks to those that have subscribed and left and interacted. I know they won't see this, but those that have subscribed, when my YouTubers subscriber count has gone up by 1, it's giving me a little lift. So thank you to those that have been and gone. But don't start a channel if you're not prepared for the ups and the downs. But to be honest, I haven't really experienced any downs yet. I am only a small channel. And it's given me a bit of an insight to social media. Brilliant. Come on, Rodders. Come on, Walter. Let's go, boys. My point is, do start a wild camping channel, but do it for the right reasons. No reasons are up to you. But be prepared for an adventure. Be prepared for them shots of scenery and those planes flying over while you're trying to talk. Be prepared to edit all that out. Be prepared for your dogs to constantly bark at you, to throw them a stick in water while you're walking past water. Be prepared to press stop a lot. Be prepared to do a lot of takes, but take it all in and learn with it. But if you're not wanting to do all that, walking up an hill with 15 kg on your pack, learning to read maps, learning to navigate, learning to read the weather, learning to sit in your tent for hours on end if it's raining, not cooking if it's too windy. I love it. But if you're not prepared to do all that, go dance on TikTok instead. It's easier, much easier. I'd probably do that. I just can't dance. Anyway, I'm off. I'm gonna go play with my boys. There will be more videos to come. I'll see you on the next one. Good boys. Good boys. Yes, you are.